Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my understanding, or talk through my thought process, sorry, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So, the problem I'm going to be attempting today is 58, length of last word. So just going to read out the spec. Given a string s consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring containing of non-space characters only. So hello world is made up of two words, hello and world. The last word is world, and it has a length 5, so the output is 5. Any constraints? The length of each string is between 1 and 10 to the power 4, and it will only have English letters and spaces, and there's going to be at least one word. So I'm just gonna switch over to my notes here. So ideas, need to split it into words first of all. So split into words with split in Python. Then we're going to take word at last index, get that word's length, and return it. I think that's literally all it's going to be for this one. So I'm just going to, oh, didn't copy that. Going to copy this and comment it out. So we're going to do s.split. So words is equal to s.split, and then we're going to return the length of words minus 1. Running this, and the test cases pass. Gonna submit it, and accepted. So that one was fairly straightforward. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, or if there was some other solution that you found that was maybe a bit more efficient or just different, please let me know. I love discussing these things, and yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.